Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. We're going to be making a delectable vegan curry mutton, so let's get cooking. Our ingredients are 1 packet of mutton pieces, 1 Scotch bonnet, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, 2 spring onions, an array of seasonings and spices and herbs. We're going to prepare our vegetables by peeling them and washing them, just like this. Next, you'll need to chop them up just as you can see. We're going to place all of the chopped up vegetables in the bowl with the mutton pieces. Next, we're going to add our seasonings, as much or as little as you like. First, our turmeric powder, then our medium curry powder, next our ginger, after which we're going to add some garlic. Next, we'll add a sprinkle of rosemary and then some bouillon seasoning. And finally, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Now we're going to mix it all together. I'm using gloves because I don't want my hands to get yellow, you know. I'm going to leave this to marinate with all the seasoning and spices for about 1 hour. Now we're going to add our seasoned mutton pieces in a pan of warmed oil. We've used 2 tablespoons of oil for this. Be sure to stir it occasionally so that it doesn't stick. We're going to add about a litre of water, which should be just enough to cover our ingredients, and then we're going to give it a good stir and leave that just to simmer and to cook away. I've also added a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme just to add a little bit more depth of flavour, and then we're just going to cover this up and leave it to cook for between 30 to 45 minutes. Look at this appetizing vegan mutton curry. Woo! It is delightful, it really is good. You can have it just by itself, you can have it with rice or even with wraps with some a side of salad. It is delicious.